Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys a sneak peek preview of the Style Showdown. So as you can see, it's not out yet, but it will come out on the 1st of March, and it's going to look basically like this. DCI already has a preview where Lana will be the host. I will put in a clip right now. And this is what the showdown rounds will look like. I guess if you get the least vote, you'll go out. So you're just going to have to vote for the people you want to stay, and the person with the least votes go out like this. That's insane, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.